Hi, my name is Marina Payares, and I will be teaching Spanish 3 honors to your kids this year. Um, I'm from Spain. I have been here at Sorcrest 7 years. Um, 3 honors is continuing to develop the skills they acquire in Spanish 2 honors. A special emphasis is on developing the students' ability to communicate by expressing opinions, resolving situations, and using more descriptive language. We are going to cover 5 big themes: um, personal relationships, free time, health, travel, and shopping. The object is, for example, when we are covering health, the object is not to learn all the muscles and bones in the body, but to be able to go to the hospital and communicate with the doctors, to call the doctor's office and make an appointment. So activities are provided within contextual and realistic situations, and we use authentic materials as often as possible. Grammar-wise, we are going to review and expand a lot in the past about the past tense, and they are going to learn the subjunctive to talk about desired, hypothetical, or uncertain events. The only expectation, aside what we have in our student handbook, is that they need to have a good headphone or headset with recording abilities. That means a microphone, and it will be very good if they have some kind of noise cancellation. The best way you can help your kid is to help me and to help him or her. First is by communicating with me. Sometimes the kid may have B minus in some quiz, and I don't think it's a bad grade, but perhaps you think, okay, that's not what is expected, he's not trying his best, then you had to contact me. Another thing is keep up on top of their progress through Power School. If you see our Power School page, we have the daily plan, what they are doing day by day. They have a study guides for every lesson, cheat sheets. They have extra practice that they can do at home online, extra series or TV movies that they can watch on Netflix or Amazon. But if you see something is missing, you can always tell him or her, okay, do this. It's better to turn the work late than to get a 0. The best way to contact me, of course, is by email. And for your information, I'm going to be on leave for 2 months. The school is going to get a sub that will follow exactly the curriculum as I prepare it. And nothing, I hope we are going to have a good year, or a year that's little by little, the situation will improve. Thank you.